Hello, week 8. Here we are. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Well done. Congratulations. You made it. Oh my God. So good, guys. I hope you've been enjoying the homework and your emails every week. And I'm really grateful that you've partaken on this journey with me and given me an opportunity to share this stuff with you, because I think it's really amazing stuff. It's and some of it seems so ridiculously simple in some ways. But it's knowing and trusting and believing and just realizing that, yeah, this stuff is out there and it's really effective. So I'm hope you enjoyed it. And we've only reached up so far in the body. There's other releases that we can do further up. There's even the Holistic Core Restore program that we could get into and do weekly gatherings and things like that, where we just basically work on releasing and freeing the body. And that's certainly an opportunity to explore. Or we can do another challenge where we continue with more releases from here on up. And so I'm glad you've taken this part with me, and I'm looking forward to expanding it as well with you. So what we got today is we got one more release for this Revitalized Challenge, and that is the anterior hip. So the front of the hip, we're going to release using the foam roller. Hopefully the rain doesn't get really loud. I got a drain here that's going. So we've got an anterior hip release of the hip, and that's very simple, just lying on the foam roller and breathing. So where is my foam roller? There it is. All right. So all we're going to do is, again, we're going to place that roller right on the crest of the hips, not really up into the belly area, but where it's supported on the hips. All right. And then we're just going to do some nice, easy breathing. We'll do some belly breathing with it. So, locate in the front of those hips. All we're going to do here, it's right, your weight is central over the roller. So you're not shifted from one side to the other, left or right. And then we're just going to find a comfortable position between the hip crest and the pubic symphysis. And then all you're going to do is just pause here, relax through the neck, support your weight on your elbows, and just do some nice long belly breathing. And then breathe out the tension. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out the tension. It can be through your mouth or through your nose. Just breathe. One more. You can do this as long as you like. But one more for example's sake. And then we can just roll down and up nice and easy. So remember, your tummy is, a place you want to protect and take care of. So you don't want to go in hard and fast. Just being nice and easy on it. And what we're doing is we're giving ourselves a little abdominal massage here. And that will help improve digestion, movement of waste through your bowels, and it will help with lymphatic flow. We have lots and lots of lymph nodes through the gut, so that will help massage the tummy and help get flow out of there and out through the abdomen. And as we apply pressure in the lower portion of the abdomen, we also affect change and get a little bit of movement through the organs further up into the abdomen. So motility of the organs. All right. Beautiful. Good. And if you feel like you need to, if you feel really tender through the front of the hip bones, then just raise up. So I'm going to raise up on my left push away with my left hand, push up, and then that puts more pressure on my right hip bone. All right. And then you can roll up and down with that. come down. There's some grumpy spots there for sure. If you find something really grumpy, just do a little east-west traction, okay? Nice and gentle. And then neutralize that, come back to even, and then now I'm gonna roll onto my left hip by pushing up on my right side. Roll up and down over that front of that hip bone, through the front of the pelvis on my left side. Okay. And then a little bit of traction left and right. All right. So that is the front of the hip. And you can go all the way down to the femur, where the femur comes into the pelvis, and just kind of traction that. Those hip flexors can get really stiff, so we can roll those hip flexors as well. All right, hip flexors are right. These guys right here. Okay, so let's activate that. So we're gonna do a cobra. So your cobra is lying on your tummy, hands under the shoulders, and then just press up, hands right under the shoulders here, and you're just gonna press up and lift. Get long through the tummy and come back. You can even just put the elbows down on the ground and push up from there, okay? And when you do it, you're thinking about coming up, pulling the front of the body up and forward, so you're lifting. And as you're here, you can lift the chin, turn your head with the chin lifted, all right? Just gently. You can actually tuck the chin, turn, and then lift. Tuck the chin, turn it to the other side, and then lift. Right? And then come back down and release. So you choose the type of cobra you want to do, whether it's raising up on your hands. And as you raise up on your hands, you're going to feel some lengthening through the tummy. Push, lift up and out. And then you can twist through the body a little bit. Right. Come down. All right, that's your cobra. And now we can do another option, which is a modified cobra, where your lift going to bring your right knee up to the outside and then drop the left hip down towards the ground. Oh, this is a floor ground mountain climber, so to speak, with the knees down. So you're thinking about pulling forward and up. And again, we can accentuate that stretch of the hip by articulating the neck. Come back. Open up through that hip a little bit. Adjust what you need to adjust. And just feel the stretch. Breathe. Good. Okay. And then, do the other side. So bring that left knee up forward. Let the right leg trail back long. Let's see if you can see. What's the best way for you to see? Left knee up, let the right leg trail back long, and then you're drawing up and forward. There we go. I turned the dryer on in my house. I wonder if you can hear it. All right. Good job, guys. So, and then that's a bit of that's a release mobilizer, and then to activate that musculature, you can do repeated cobras, or you can do our mountain climbers, which is you're here on the ground and you step up and then open. Step up and open up forward. Oh, well done, guys. Thank you so much for your time. You do have some homework this week. So get stuck into that. And I will see you.